Can we predict the future? What if we told you that artificial intelligence is already doing it? Yes, you heard it right. The concept of artificial intelligence, or AI, as a predictive tool is not a far-fetched science fiction idea anymore. It's happening here and now, reshaping the world as we know it. Imagine a future where financial markets are more stable because we can foresee economic trends. A world where we can mitigate the effects of climate change by anticipating environmental shifts. A society where we can understand social dynamics at a depth never before possible, all thanks to AI. This isn't just about predicting the next big stock market boom or spotting the latest fashion trend. It's about using vast, complex datasets to forecast trends and events that affect us all, on a global scale. Now, let's delve into some real-world examples where AI has successfully predicted the future. Now that we've sparked your curiosity about the predictive power of AI, let's take a moment to appreciate the journey. Remember, if you're excited to learn how AI is decoding the future, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you're supporting our mission to demystify the complex world of artificial intelligence. We're on the cusp of a fascinating exploration, so sit tight and let's dive in. Consider the world of finance, a domain that thrives on predictions. Every second, millions of dollars change hands in the global stock market. With stakes this high, having the right information at the right time can make all the difference. Here's where artificial intelligence, or AI, enters the picture, transforming the way we understand and navigate the financial landscape. AI algorithms, these complex mathematical models, are trained to analyze vast amounts of financial data, spot patterns, and make predictions. They excel at deciphering the subtle signs that often elude even the most experienced human analysts. These algorithms can predict stock market trends, helping investors make informed decisions about where to put their money. They can foresee market downturns or upswings, potentially saving or making fortunes in the process. But the influence of AI stretches beyond Wall Street. It reaches into our daily lives, into the very streets we walk on. Consider your favorite online store. Ever wonder how it seems to know just what you're looking for even before you do? That's AI at work. Algorithms analyze your browsing habits, past purchases, and even the time you spend looking at certain items. Using this information, they anticipate your needs and make product recommendations, effectively forecasting your consumer behavior. Or think about your local grocery store. How do they know how many apples to stock for the week? Again, AI plays a crucial role. It analyzes historical sales data, weather patterns, local events, and more to predict demand accurately. This helps businesses reduce waste, save money, and ensure they always have what their customers need. AI's predictive power is transforming industries, making them more efficient, more responsive, and more attuned to our needs. It's not just about predicting the future. It's about using that insight to make better decisions today. But the predictive power of AI is not limited to finance. From predicting election outcomes to forecasting the spread of pandemics, AI has demonstrated its predictive prowess. Think about the last presidential election. Before the first ballot was cast, AI was hard at work, analyzing vast amounts of data from polling, social media, and demographic trends. It sifted through millions of data points to make a prediction, and when the final votes were counted, it had accurately predicted the outcome in a majority of states. This is not a standalone example. AI has repeatedly proven to be a powerful tool in election forecasting. Now, let's talk about pandemics. Remember the global outbreak of COVID-19? As early as December 2019, an AI platform designed to track global health threats picked up an unusual pneumonia in Wuhan, China. It flagged this as a potential public health concern, weeks before the World Health Organization made its official announcement. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of health and travel data in real time allowed it to predict the spread of the virus, helping countries prepare and respond. But AI's predictive power extends beyond politics and health. It's also making waves in the world of economics. Take the stock market, for example. AI has been used to predict daily stock market movements with significant accuracy by analyzing historical data, market trends, and global news. It's also been used to forecast larger economic shifts, such as recessions or periods of rapid growth. By looking at indicators like GDP, unemployment rates, and consumer spending, AI can provide a snapshot of future economic conditions, helping businesses and governments plan accordingly. These examples are just a glimpse into the predictive power of AI. Whether it's forecasting the outcomes of elections, predicting the spread of pandemics, or anticipating economic shifts, AI is transforming the way we understand and prepare for the future. So, how does AI make these predictions? Let's break it down. At the core of AI's predictive power are machine learning algorithms. So what exactly are these machine learning algorithms, and how do they churn through vast oceans of data to create accurate forecasts? Well, think of machine learning as a superpowered version of the guess and check method we all used in grade school math. But instead of guessing and checking one problem at a time, machine learning algorithms can guess and check millions of problems simultaneously. These algorithms start by making a prediction based on a set of data. They then compare this prediction to what actually happened and adjust their parameters based on how close or far they were from the actual result. This process is repeated over and over again, with the algorithm learning and improving its accuracy with each iteration. This is where the learning in machine learning comes from. By processing vast amounts of past data, these algorithms can identify patterns and trends that would be impossible for a human to spot. It's like giving a detective the ability to review every crime ever committed to solve a single case. But it's not just about brute force data crunching. Machine learning algorithms are also incredibly adaptable. They can learn and evolve in response to new information, much like how we humans learn from our experiences. This adaptability allows them to make accurate predictions even in rapidly changing situations. For instance, if a new trend emerges in the stock market, the algorithm can quickly incorporate this data into its predictions. Or if a new strain of a virus appears, it can adjust its forecast to account for this new variable. And this adaptability extends beyond just financial markets and health crises. It can be applied to virtually any field that has data to process, from predicting weather patterns to forecasting social trends. So there you have it. Machine learning algorithms are the workhorses powering AI's remarkable predictive abilities. They're like digital crystal balls, gazing into the future by learning from the past. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As we entrust more of our future to these digital oracles, we must also grapple with the ethical implications of their use. But that's a topic for our next scene. As AI becomes more adept at predicting the future, we must consider the ethical implications. With great power comes great responsibility, and this couldn't be truer than in the world of artificial intelligence. Predicting individual futures is a delicate matter. While AI can offer insights into a person's health, finances, or even career paths, it's vital to ask, should we allow machines to make such personal forecasts? What if these predictions are wrong? The consequences could be life-altering. Moreover, the risk of algorithmic bias is a growing concern. After all, AI systems learn from data created by humans who are inherently biased. If an AI system is trained on biased data, it may perpetuate or even amplify these biases. This could lead to unfair predictions that disadvantage certain groups of people. Then there's the issue of privacy. As AI delves deeper into our lives, it requires more and more of our personal data. And while this data may fuel more accurate predictions, it also poses significant privacy risks. What happens if this data falls into the wrong hands? These ethical dilemmas underline the importance of creating robust governance frameworks for AI predictions. We need checks and balances to ensure that AI serves us, not the other way around. While these concerns are valid, the future of AI predictions holds immense potential. The challenge lies in harnessing this potential responsibly, ensuring that AI predictions serve the greater good while respecting individual rights and freedoms. Imagine a world where AI predicts not just market trends or election outcomes, but also climate change, health risks, and more. This is not mere speculation. As we move forward, we can expect AI's predictive power to grow exponentially, reaching into realms we are yet to fathom. Consider the possibilities. AI could help us anticipate natural disasters, optimize our healthcare systems, and even predict social dynamics that shape the fabric of our societies. But with these advancements come challenges. We must ensure that the use of predictive AI respects privacy and human rights, all while maintaining transparency and accountability. The potential benefits are vast, but they must be balanced with ethical considerations. As we stand on the cusp of this new frontier, it's clear that the future of AI predictions is both exciting and daunting. The future is not set in stone, but with AI, we might just get a glimpse of what's to come. As we stand on the cusp of a future shaped by AI, what are your thoughts? Do you envision AI's predictive prowess enhancing our lives, or do you harbor concerns over its implications? Perhaps you have ideas about potential applications you'd like to see. The possibilities are as vast as our collective imagination. So let your thoughts flow in the comment section below. Because remember, the future is not something that happens to us, it's something we create.